What's up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Profit. My name's Adam and I'm a full-time reseller. If you're new here, I show you all different kinds of ways to make money. So if you like money, hit that subscribe button. Today, Gabe's, if you have that store, had their extra 50% off apparel clearance. I've never been to one of these before, but I just saw it randomly when I was in there one day. So I called it out to my group, Bread and Butter, and myself and some other members that have some Gabe's nearby were able to absolutely clean up, because an extra 50% off of the clearance tags make these prices extremely cheap. So basically anything with a red clearance tag that is apparel rings up an additional 50% off, very similar to like the Academy or the Kohl's sale. And the men's sections were pretty good. They had like 2 to 3 racks per store. I only hit 2 stores. But the women's sections, oh my gosh, it was like half of the section. Literally one of them went like the entire length of the store, and the other store, it was just half of the racks were all women's. So I got a little bit of everything. Let's show you everything I got. All right, so running down the highlights, we got this Carhartt jacket here. Again, an additional 50% off of the price. If you can see that, it says 35, so $17.50 is what this bad boy was. And the comps are pretty good on it, going for like $60 to $70. And it's not even winter yet. This is a nice thermal insulated jacket. Got some men's and women's in these. Probably like 5 or 10. I think I might have shown that B-roll. There was a whole rack of these. I just got the good sizes. Next, another Carhartt item. We got the puffer vest with like the fleece inside. Extremely nice. And you're going to be like, what? First, it's got the $40 price, but it was whatever the lowest one was. And you can see 27 on that. So again, $13.50, and the comps are about $40 to $50. Again, great winter item. Prices could even rise a little bit more from that. But if I sell for $45, $50 from $17.50, easy peasy, nice poly mailer item. I got some tubs to store all these in as well. So I'm ready to go, even though I'm not huge on clothing anymore, like I said. Next, I found some Essentials tank tops. $7.50 on those. Really good price. They go for like $40. They're only like 8 ounces. So again, easy poly mailer. I got them in this color and in yellow. I think it's actually called a waffle tank when I was looking it up, but hey, I'll take it. I didn't expect to find Essentials at Gabe's. Next, getting to the bag of stuff that I didn't comp. I don't recommend doing this, especially if you're just starting out, but some of these prices were too good to be true. I didn't even bother comping, just based on prior knowledge mainly. Where's the tag on this guy? We got this Columbia jacket, little fleece jacket, $7.50. I mean, come on, come winter. $35, $40 minimum probably. So couldn't pass that up. Another one from prior experience, we got this Garfield members only jacket. These members only makes all these characters in all these jackets. We can see $10 on that guy. And I've sold some Looney Tunes ones of these for like $50, $60 in the past. I mean, for $10, I just figured I wasn't even going to look it up, because worst case it would go for like $40, probably more this winter. And then we got one more of those, but it is a Rugrats, and you can see the members only on the back. And that one was even less. That tag has seen its better days, but that was only $7.50. Another cool find, $7.50 on this Fresh Prince of Bel-Air Will Smith jersey. Cannot beat that one bit. I mean, $30 minimum on that, I'm sure. And then I found a couple of these actually, which I did not bother comping, because before I show them to you, they were, if I can get it, there we go, $5.50 for some Mississippi State Adidas basketball hoodies with the little zipper pocket here. Very high quality hoodie here. Can't beat that. So that is everything that I got from this Gabe sale. My first Gabe sale, I didn't know what to expect. I even put that in the group when I posted it. I was like, hey, I don't know exactly what this entails, but I was just in there and they said everything that is apparel is going to go 50% off. That will about wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and hopefully you cleaned out your Gabes as well. If you didn't and you want to know when the next clearance event like this is, check out my reselling Discord group, Bread and Butter, first link in the description, where we call out daily in-store and online leads, as well as never miss a clearance event. This sale went from October 1st through, I think, October 5th. Keep on hustling, guys. Quarter 4 is here. It's time to make those sales from all that inventory we've been stacking the entire year. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Profit.